headlines. Manipur Chief Minister launches Imphal-Dimapur direct flight service. Minister Shyam Kumar inaugurates newly constructed enclosure of Sangai. And Manipur records highest rate of mental illness. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur television news at 6:30. I'm Loving with the news in details. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today inaugurated the Imphal-Dimapur direct flight service at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister expressed his happiness over the launch of the Imphal-Dimapur flight service, which is being operated by Alliance Air, a private airlines company. Chief Minister said that better connectivity would build deeper connections among the people of the two neighboring states. He maintained that such flight service would further strengthen the friendly relations between the states. The Chief Minister said that the flight service would be operational twice a week. He announced that the Alliance Air has promised to operate daily flight service between Imphal and Dimapur in the next 2 to 3 months.
I must express my profound happiness that direct flight service between Manipur and Nagaland will become a reality today. Connectivity is the only way to connect people to people. The relationship between Nagaland and Manipur earlier was so good.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, along with his cabinet ministers, inspected the preparations being made for the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe at Maibam Lotpaching, also known as Red Hill in Bishnupur district. Prime Minister Modi and Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe is likely to visit Manipur on 17th of December. Modi and Abe will pay homage to the Japanese soldiers killed during the Second World War in Manipur at Maibam Lotpaching. The two prime ministers will hold a 2-day summit at Guwahati in mid-December. After the summit, Shinzo Abe will visit Manipur and he would be accompanied by Narendra Modi. Chief Secretary, additional Chief Secretaries, Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners of Imphal West and Bishnupur District, top civil and police officers accompanied the Chief Minister during the inspection.
Japanese soldiers sings Makhoi Mayamdugi the Ningsing Boina in Prime Minister Punna Lakadabu Mali, Adugi Maramuidu Mali, but not sure. But we should welcome them loudly. Country any Prime Minister Laga Skumba Mawangi history gi Mapamada Lakpirakan Tawasi set Shigi and Sakuchania with Podomani Aduna Mayamna Yamna Tamoishena Opasangi.
Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar today inaugurated the newly constructed enclosure of Sangai and opened for public display at the Manipur Zoological Garden located in Iroisemba, Imphal. The Principal Chief Conservator of Forests PCCF, Wildlife DGAN Anand, Director Manipur Zoological Garden Gaithaulo Thaimai, along with other officers of the Forest Department were present at the inaugural function. Talking to media persons, Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar said that the enclosure of Sangai was constructed under the Compensatory Afforestation Management and Planning Authority following the standard design of Central Zoo Authority, Government of India. He appealed to the general public to love and protect wildlife. Honorary Secretary of Psychiatric Society, Manipur State Branch, Dr. S. Gojendro today said that Manipur has recorded the highest rate of mental illness in India. Dr. S. Gojendra was speaking during the 20th Annual Conference of Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State Branch at Hotel Imphal. He said that the rate of mental disease in Manipur is not a good sign. He attributed the higher level of mental illness in the state to the state of affairs facing the state. Dr. Gojendra noted that before committing suicide, a person always shows suicidal tendencies. He suggested that if such tendencies are noticed by their friends and family members, suicide can be prevented with proper counseling.
Conference ki kanoina have the suicide ki maram se thigat matamda cha ta marfu tegi marfu taradi mental health causes oiba psychiatric causes oiba aduna asigi causes se kona thigalaga kamaina se ngakthokpa ngamani asigi early diagnosis kamai tawni kamaina khu treatment chathagani haibagi pandanda Manipur da leiba doctor psychiatrist doctor ma'am mental health professional ma'am haibadi psychologist psychosocial worker pullaga akona chai kuding si conference pangthok jabani.
A 7-member team of Assembly Women and Child Committee Manipur today visited Manipur Central Jail to look into problem and shortages of the inmates and provide necessary aid and basic trainings to them to improve life quality in the prison. Speaking to media on the sidelines of the visit, Patsoi MLA and Chairman of Assembly Women and Child Committee A.K. Mirabai stated that the purpose of the visit was to look into the problem faced by the inmates and to detect if they are provided with necessary facilities inside the prison. She added that the committee will continue to look after the welfare of women and children.
Leiba jailda leiba nupising inmate haiba tare leiba mayam singa sigi oinadi yamna makoi yam harauk te yamna lehawi loinana training tawdana makoi gi leiriba wakhalon asi makoi na chaluriba tongan ba makoi different crime ngakta ni leirami basi adubu makoi gi punsida anauba makoi gi senthok lambi leina ba vocational training na chingba mamang degi continue tawduna jangjali basi hojik department na makata na 15 dagi 30 capacity hengalagani haiduna ngasi department ki director na su takpire.
Commenting on the media reports of a misuse of midday meal by Social Welfare Department, MLA Mirabai said that the committee will take up steps to ascertain the facts at the earliest.
Tongan ba department sing da leiba egoi child labor gi egoi gi children home sing da mato karamaina chalairi haibna sing ba mayam sing se leiba egoi timasi committee gi timasina makata na thigalaga madu aikoi afaba londa leiramagana hena phanaba suggestion piba amadi karigumba asoiba leirambaga ju sumthoknabagi tanja haibodo launabagi damakta makata na aikoi gi hariba assembly gi women and child committee na makata na jangsin gi gani haibasimak tamjari.
Let's take a short commercial break now. Coming up next, Minister Nemcha Kipgen distributes old-age pension to 20,833 beneficiaries through Manipur State Cooperative Bank.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Admission Notice 2020 Heritage Convent, Oripok Bachaspati Laikai and Naramthong Khalem Laikai, Imphal, Manipur. Admission open for preparatory, nursery and KG. Minimum age for preparatory 3+ years, for nursery 4+ years, for KG 5+ years as on 1st of April 2020. Application form available from the school office at Heritage Convent Campus 1 at Oripok Bachaspati Laikai on 8th of December, Sunday 2019, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Choosing the right school for your child is one of the most important decisions you will make in your child's life. Come, be a part of the Heritage family. Prospectus will be issued against production of birth certificate. For further details, please contact Heritage Convent.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features: mock test, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245. NG Enterprises. Please avail our 24/7 services. Facilities available. All tent house items. Nacho, photographer. Enterprises, Thangway Sinam Lekai, Imphal West. Contact number 600-9061-451 or 9089-211-7713. Or
Che, sisam fazadro. Sisam fazadro che. Yam is we.
Mobile furniture and wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Phare to disi tarsia. Bhaiya che seri tarsi. Sei se booking tak senjar.
Welcome back after the break. Under the Go to Village mission, Manipur's Social Welfare and Cooperative Minister Nemcha Kipgen today distributed all-age pension to 20,833 beneficiaries through Manipur State Cooperative Bank at the Minister's Secretariat Office. Minister Nemcha Kipgen said that beneficiaries will receive pension through their respective bank accounts under Direct Benefit Transfer (DBT) for the current financial year, while the remaining pension for 6 months from September 2019 to February 2020 will be released shortly. While addressing the media persons, Nemcha Kipgen asserted that all-age pension for the elderly persons in the state was not dispersed properly in the past. However, under the leadership of Chief Minister N. Biren's Go to Village, all-age pension has been distributing through DBT. Deputy Manager of Manipur State Cooperative Bank S. Biren, Director of Social Welfare Department N.G. Uttam, and other officials attended the pension distribution program.
Hauzik paliba government na haudoktuna Go to Village. Maru oina Social Welfare Department na piriba scheme singi maramda miyambo knowledge panghan bangamle loina na scheme kayagi kanaba panghan basungamle. Government na direct benefit transfer haiduna beneficiary masa-masagi account da scheme sing ado transfer toduna ahan oiriba kaya na laiba maong da scheme gi amount do bank gi khongthang dagi draw to bangamle pumna makase hojik paliba sarkar na thabak oina utpangamle haibadu tasingna takli.
Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill (MANPAC) today organized a one-day leaders' meet at the office of All Manipur United Clubs organization at Kwakaitel to deliberate on the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. The meet adopted 4 key resolutions to go against implementation of CAB 2019 in the Northeast. Manipur MPs must oppose CAB in both the Houses of Parliament and submission of memorandums by the people to the state governor regarding the bill through their local MLAs and political parties, and finally to give the task for taking up further anti-CAB protests to MANPAC. Communist Party of India Manipur State Council has strongly condemned the recent rape and murder of a veterinarian in Telangana and brutal killing of Unnao rape victim. In a press release, Party Secretary L. Sotin Kumar accused the BJP government of supporting crime against women and demanded stringent punishment to the culprits of Unnao rape case. A team comprising of members of all Jiribam Road Transport Union, media persons and drivers today inspected Barak Bridge along the National Highway 37. President of AJRTDU, M. Tombabu Singh, Information Secretary, and Arun and Senior Engineer of BIPL Mohanta Kumar Kalita also took part in the visit. Talking to media persons, AJRTDU President M. Tombabu said that the visit was made on learning that only 10 and 12-wheeler vehicles were allowed to cross the bridge due to its bad condition at present. He drew the attention of the state government to restore the bridge at the earliest.
गाड़ी की क्वांटिटी का थोंसी की क्वालिटी सिगा करम्बा कयाम थाबना फगदगे हाइबदो हमदे जंक्शन बियो टैंकर सिंह सिसु यारगदी मागी मतम अककनबा खरा पीरब मतुंगदा रूटीन नाइना थाबिनबगे दमकता अखोइगी बॉडी गाड़ी सिंह असि अतुकिमतिक वान लेरे से चकादगी 10 चका 12 चका फावबा हप्ता अमदा चटप मतमदा निमित निपानी पुन्न चंगे था अमदादी कैरक चंगनी मसिबसु मणिपुर लेंगाकना अखोइगी चाना थंगनबा पुसलैबा गाड़ी सिंह असिबु ब्लॉक तोबिरा हायरगा टैंकर खक्तना मरु ओय हाइबसिसु खितंग खंथबिरगा थोंग असिबु मोंग मरिन ताना अथुबा मतमदा सेंबिनबगिदमक्ता ऑल जिरिबाम रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट ड्राइवर यूनियन की माइगैदगी अमुकसु हन्ना नोलुकचरी.
On the other hand, Senior Engineer of BIPL Mohanta Kumar Kalita said that previously the bridge had a limited capacity of 24 tons. However, vehicles weighing more than 28 to 35 tons frequently crossed the bridge. He also informed that the concerned department is constantly monitoring the bridge to avoid disruption in traffic flow.
अभी ब्रिज का हालत बहुत खराब कर दिया, तब हम लोग तो डेली 100 आदमी रिपेयरिंग करता है, ये करके हम लोग चलाता. अभी तक ब्रिज तो बंद नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन डेली कभी प्लैंक्स लगाना पड़ता है, कभी प्लेन स्टैंडर, कभी टॉप सस्पेंडर, कभी बॉटम सस्पेंडर, ऐसे टूट जाता है. तो अराउंड आधा घंटा का अंदर में हम लोग रिपेयरिंग कर देता हूँ. हम लोग का इसी का रिपेयरिंग के लिए 6 आदमी है हम लोग का वर्कर्स. डेली ये लोग सुबह 6 बजे से शाम 6-7 बजे तक ये लोग रिपेयरिंग करता है. ऐसे चलता है, लेकिन आज तक ब्रिज कभी बंद नहीं हुआ. लेकिन ओवरलोड से ना ब्रिज ब्रेकडाउन हो जाता है, कभी 4 आवर्स, कभी 2 आवर्स ऐसे ब्रेकडाउन होता है.
A citation ceremony for Best Paralegal Volunteer, Best Panel Lawyer and Best District Legal Services Authority for the year 2018-19 was held at the Conference Hall ADR Center, Lamphel Court Complex, Imphal today. The event was organized by Manipur State Legal Services Authority. Certificates were distributed to the students who did well in an essay writing competition held on November 9 last. 12 best individuals from different districts were felicitated during the ceremony. Under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police, Imphal West, a team of police commando conducted massive cordon and search drive this afternoon at Pauna Bazaar, Imam Market and Maharani Bridge in the Imphal city. Altogether, 165 individuals were verified and 12 persons were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. As a part of the security measures taken up by the District Police Bishnupur, a search operation was carried out at Kongkham Makha Lekai within Ward number 8 of Bishnupur District this morning. Altogether, 340 individuals were verified, while 2 members belonging to KYKL, who are currently on bail, were picked up by the corps for further necessary verification. Let's take another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
India gi ahanba amasung anisuba IBBF Fitness Miss India contest ta anira gold loduna Manipur gi mingsat purakrabi Joyceni Devi gi instruction makhada hangdok seroi Valentina Fitness Center.
Nupi khaktagi oiba nupaga punna sanaminaba gi nuaitaba koiba amata leiroidaba jimni. Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction, opposite Churasampur Parking. Mafam asida Zumba Gym, Cardio na chimbagi sanaba khudongchabasu phangbigani. Ayuk pung mga dagina numidang pung 9 phawba sanaba phangbaga loinana akopa marol gidamak Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction dagi khangbiba yagani. Lengsinbirao nupi khaktagi oiba gym Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction opposite Churachandpur parking. Telephone number 9612058028.
Traditional Healing Center adungai ipa ipu haktaktagi chanaraklaba maitei hidang laying jari iramdamda fangliba manamasing kaya sizinaduna side effect laitana laying jari hakchanggi mari suba saru sayang samba amadi singli lonsinaba khaktanatana hakchang fagatpa ngamdana leiba kaya fagalhan mangamba laying ni ngasi maglengsin birau Traditional Healing Center National Game Village Road Lamfelpat 795004 contact number 9612558587.
Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur notification, Imphal, the 3rd December 2019. In continuation to this office notification of even number dated 31st August 2019, it is hereby notified for general information to those heads of institution, principals, affiliated to the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur who did not collect the modified design of question paper which is effective from the academic session 2019-2020 may be collected from the Council Office Babupara during the office hour.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba school du da dum changna na coaching tohonba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. District Legal Services Authority, Taubal, and Legal Literacy Club, Slopeland Public School, Khongjom Salt Village, Taubal District today jointly organized a legal literacy quiz program at Slopeland School. Judge of Family Court Taubal, Salam Imocha, Principal of Slopeland Public School, Nahakpam Babulin Meitei, and Secretary of District Legal Services Authority Taubal, Asem Tarun Kumari Devi, attended the program. Advocate Khoisnam Lembisana Medingu spoke on child-friendly legal services to children and their protection scheme 2019 and Childline 1098, while Advocate Muhammad Zakir Hussain spoke on solid waste management rules 2016 as resource persons. The program was concluded with a quiz session. Prizes were also distributed to the quiz winners.
Free and compulsory education.
As a part of the drive carried out by Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee, Manipur to save wildlife in the state, members of the committee seized several bird traps at Ikop part of Taubal district yesterday. During the drive, they also recovered a live bird and 3 dead birds trapped in the nets. The live bird was treated and later released. President of WBCC Manipur Rabi Takelambam sought support from the people to protect wildlife, saying such drive cannot be successful without their support. The United Tribal Liberation Army said that the developmental works being taken up within Tuilangkol area of Nonay district by the center and state authorities are not up to the mark. In a press release, the outfit also accused MDC Lungin Gangte of not taking up any step for construction of a proposed quarter at Longpi ADC Circle till date. The outfit warned the concerned authority against sanctioning of any further fund since the proposed project has not yet been started. Through the release, United Tribal Liberation Army also appealed to MDC Lungin to start the work within a week. The National Liberation Front of Tuipra has appealed to the international community to prevail upon the government of India to refrain from implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the state of Tuipra. In a press release, the front stated that Boroks have every right to defend themselves. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath today said the death of Unnao rape victim was extremely sad and announced that the case will be tried in a fast-track court, a media report said. In an official statement today, Adityanath said all the accused persons must have been arrested. The case will be taken to a fast-track court and punishment will be given. The 23-year-old woman was set on fire by 5 men, including who were accused of raping her. The victim, who died at 11:40 p.m. on Friday following a cardiac arrest, had suffered more than 90% burns, most of which were facial and inhalation injuries. She was brought to Delhi in an air ambulance Thursday evening after she was waylaid and set ablaze while on her way to Rae-Bareli in connection with the rape case. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Bangladesh defeated Nepal by 44 runs in the T20 international semi-finals in the South Asian Games in Kathmandu, Nepal today. As per media reports, batting first Bangladesh scored 155 in their 20 overs. Chasing the target, the home team could only manage 111 in their 20 overs, losing 9 wickets. Bangladesh will take on Sri Lanka in the finals. Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Manipur Chief Minister launches Imphal-Dimapur direct flight service. Minister Shyam Kumar inaugurates newly constructed enclosure of Sangai. And Manipur records highest rate of mental illness. That's the end of the bulletin. For the news at 6:30. Thank you for watching.